Ew!
Just be careful, nah, nah. Love ain't simple, nah, nah. Promise me no promises.
We are at IKEA. Yet. Wow, this one's my favorite one. The purple wall. Look at that.
I just love like a clean kitchen.
I like these chairs too.
Well, the only bad thing
Dream
is when you have
kitchen. Yeah, this is nice though. I like this color. It's like clean, fresh, you know? I just dropped a fork. Oops. Yikes.
I would always buy back seats for home.
We're at IKEA and look who we just saw. Excuse me? Hello.
Hi.
Hello. I got my Alex drawer. Oh my god, this cart is going sideways. Voila. We did it. Oh my god. You gonna get some help? Vlogging and driving?
Don't record it.
Oh, happy day.
Oh god, don't do that.
Oh, sorry. I got a white Christmas tree for $4 and this guy is staring at me, but it's okay. All right, we're here at Target number 2. We just went to another Target and then went to IKEA. We got 2 carts because Christmas, you know, is over. Ooh, colliding. On clearance is how you do it. Let's go. Ooh, ready? 30% off already. Jackpot. Here we go. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's pretty. We had to get one with a lot. Oh, 90 square feet. Ooh, Santa. I have this. Look at this. 50. Let's go. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's $7. Oh, even this one's pretty.
Oh, these are pretty, but they're $4.
But these, like, you get more.
I don't know, man.
Wow.
This is nice.
Wrapping paper galore.
Look at this.
Oh, that one's pretty. Wow. Okay, how many do we have?
There's this
3.
great. No, it's
Oh my
okay.
goodness. This is
got one.
great. I'm freaking out. It's just a good deal. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this one's pretty.
I think it's 180 square foot.
Let's see.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, you just hit my head. Look what I got at Target. I showed you guys my little tree. I wanted a white one and I got it for only $4. So I get to use this next year. And then I got ornaments to go with it. Very cute. I think these were $2.50. And then lights, which were $4. See? This girl. But yeah, so I'm all set for next year. Yay! Alrighty. So I went to the dollar store and picked up these contact papers, which are like liner drawers. They were $1 and I got 6 rolls. And I am going to head. I'm actually lining my Alex drawers right now. So I've done these 3 and you can't really tell, but whoa. There's like a clear lining. You can see there's a gap, but it's fine. But this is to help, so if I spill makeup or anything, it's easier to wipe off.
From the start, my heart was always yours, but then we lost the magic that we had before. How do we get here? Baby, love ain't supposed to be a war, and we forgot what we're fighting for. If you truly love me, then you should know this is real. Baby, I'll be a boomerang, so just let me go, and baby, I'll come right back to you. Right back to you. Right back to you. Right back to you. Right back. Baby, I'll be a boomerang, so just let me go, and baby, I'll come right back.
we're in traffic.
I love this. This is my jam. She's mocking me. How do I
Hey
vlog?
guys, so we're at Dollar Tree right now.
We're about to get some gifts.
For last minute.
I don't sound like that, do
Yes.
I? I don't think so. Anyways, yeah. Last minute shopping.
We're at Dollar Tree.
Dollar
Say
Tree.
Target. We're at the ghetto Target.
This is no, it's Dollar Tree. It's not that ghetto, okay?
Hey guys, I'm vlogging. Say hi to my vlog.
Your vlog. Your vlog.
Hey, I'm trying to put stuff in
Today we are celebrating Friendsmas, our annual Friendsmas. Look at all these gifts. They are all my gifts. Mine.
Wow, you have friends.
We just ate. We're stuffed. Hello. We're stuffed. Vlogmas day 30.
29. He's not here right now, so.
Are you even recording?
Yeah, it says her.
She's coming, guys. She's coming.
Hide.
She looks like Santa.
Yeah. Alright,
How the heck did you guys do this?
I want black up.
How did they even do this?
Black up.
Are we ready? Yes, for presents? Okay, let's go. Who wants to go first? Wow, we're so cute! Our second annual Friendsmas! Second, you mean third? Third. She already has it. Today at the mall, you're like, oh, so I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. I have two of them. I was like, I have two of these. She's like, oh. Uh-oh. Now you have three. Okay. How did you know? How do I open this with one hand? Well, how do I do you back? Okay, well, I'm scared. Okay. What? I can't. We had to do it faster. You're just doing it aggressively. What is it?
Dude, I'm extra.
How did you get it? Oh my god. Wow. Yes. How did you get it? I know. How did I get it? Oh my god. How did you know I like it?
And you got a Sephora.
Oh my god, yes.
I mean tissue.
Oh my god, I literally tried this on.
I literally tried it.
No way. Did you? Oh my goodness, which one? Allure and Misha? How did they know?
Oh my god.
We're twinning, guys. Twins. Triplets. Oh my god, these are so cute. More? There's look. All this candy. I'm shook. Look at what she got us. That's so cute. All of them. We all have one, and it matches our personality. How cute! Wow. In love. Open it.
I don't want to open it.
No.
Here, I'll give it back to you.
No, you want it.
I got too much already.
It's okay.
Me too. Yeah, I'll read it. I'll just read it.
Here's trash.
All right. Thanks, trash boy.
Thank God they have my mom and dad. Thank God. And my mom and dad. For blessing me with you.
Because if there wasn't them, I wouldn't be here. Okay. Do you like the cards, guys? It's very cute, right? Very cute, very cute. I almost cried on all of them because I was getting emotional.
Hi, like hi.
No, it's hi. Yo. Okay.
Keep an eye on the phone, okay?
What is going on?
Wait, it's so cute.
Wow. Do you like it?
Did you get this because I wore the freaking? Yeah, she got me.
I did. I got it with Okay. Do you like? Ooh. Okay. Yes. Keep H2O keeps you hydrated. Dude, today you wore a shirt and I was like, I think that's the same one I got you. And I was like, it's so similar. It doesn't have a collar. Oh my god.
No, when she's like, ooh, nice shirt you're wearing.
Because I was like, shit. Actually has the same one. Okay.
I called it. Where did I see this from? Gabby has it right.
I don't know. That's you. You're welcome. I don't know if you like that. You like that one, right?
Bee venom.
Yeah, I gave you specifically that one. What? Yes, it is. Beautiful. Yeah, I thought of you. So now you can have the lip gloss. You're welcome.
It's the lip gloss.
All right, our annual presents showcase.
Who's gonna win this year?
You
won last year, right? Yeah. Who's the judges?
Oh wow! I think mine looks pretty good. Don't you think?
No.
Beautiful.
Nope.
Our level of extraness is real. Oh yeah, throw that shirt in there. Nice, Jackie. You're done?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta do the Snapchat spin around. This is what we do. Just dance, milk tea, friendsmas.
Okay.
Let's watch them.
What the hell?
Woo! And they're over there trying to make a little. What are you? Beautiful. They're trying to take a picture over there. Oh, everyone's dancing now. Aw, so cute.